The Plantonix Coco Coir brick bundle brings together a substantial compressed coco coir block with complementary amendments to create a well-balanced growing medium for both indoor and outdoor plants. The coco coir brick rehydrates into a loose, airy substrate that holds moisture without becoming soggy, making it especially forgiving for seedlings, container gardens, and houseplants. Included perlite further opens up the mix, improving drainage and oxygen around the roots so plants are less prone to water stress and root rot. The worm castings portion adds a gentle but steady supply of nutrients and beneficial microbes, which noticeably boosts plant vigor over time without risking fertilizer burn. Neem seed meal and kelp meal contribute a broad spectrum of macro and micronutrients while supporting soil life, so gardeners can rely less on synthetic fertilizers. The organic biochar helps lock nutrients and moisture into the root zone for the long term, improving soil structure and sustainability with repeated use.